Now students, in this video we are going to understand how that same swap technique we can use with function as well as pointer. Previously we learned only with function. Now we will learn how it can be possible with function as well as pointer. So for that I am trying the program at first, thereafter I will explain it so that the best way will be to understand the concept. So the program will be how? Now at first you have to make here void swap. Header file you have to give on the top, which I didn't wrote here. So void swap. Then what I need to do, two variable as we used to declare before, the same we need to declare here int. We can make here suppose a comma int b. So two variable I kept, one is a and one is b. And as we are doing let's do that. So start the curly bracket, then we have to swap with using third variable or without using third variable, does not matter, anyone you can try here. So we can try here with using third variable. So suppose then you make here int c equal to a equal to b, or before we supposed to print the values, so you can make here printf what before swap, that is %d comma a b. Fine, the value will get print here. Then let's try for the swap, that is c equal to a equal to b equal to c. The swap is done. Then what we need to do, printf. I'm just doing as before. Fine. Then after swap %d comma a b, the job is done. Fine. This is how it was exactly previous concept. Let's do the main function. So void main, then we can make here two variable, that is int x comma y. Then we can make here printf what, enter two numbers. Then we can make here scanf, we can make here %d comma %x comma %y. Fine. Thereafter what we did, swap, we have to call the function swap x comma y, isn't it? This is how we did last time. Okay, now as we are going to do with pointer. So pointer means what? Pointer is the concept who is going to store the address of another variable. So it means using pointer means we are going to use it with address. We are going to do the task using address. So how? What you need to do? You need not to send x and y. You need not to send the value of x and y. You need to send the address of x, address of y. We learn in pointer, if you write %x, it is not asking about the x, it is asking about the address of x. Okay, so %x, %y is nothing but the address of x and address of y will get transferred to a and b. And a and b in this case, they are ordinary variable. So address who can hold, students? A pointer variable can hold the address. So we have to use them as a pointer variable. So in place of a, b, we have to write pointer a and pointer b. So writing pointer a and pointer b, what will happen? Now they become a pointer variable. They become a pointer variable. A become a pointer variable as well as b become a pointer variable. Okay. So now in this case what I did, now I took here a variable c equal to *a. In place of a I need to write *a because it is not a ordinary variable, it is a pointer variable. So I have to write *a. Same way here I have to write *a equal to *b and *b equal to c. And the place of writing I have to write what? The answer *a comma *b. Fine. Always all the places I have to use, in place of a, b, I have to specify *a and *b. Fine, as it is a pointer variable, it is not a ordinary variable. Fine students, this is the differences we need to do. Now let's get the explanation, what the benefit here we are getting. The benefit is what? When I am writing here x and y, it is declaring two variable x and y. Fine, students. And the address of these two are suppose 600 and 602. Try to understand this explanation part. You need to understand nicely. So what is the value of x? Suppose I gave here 15, here I gave 42 in the place of value of y. Now let's come to here. Here a and b is written. So a also is a variable and b also is a variable of what type? Of pointer type. So what the a is going to hold? What the b is going to hold? Anyone can say? Anyone think? This is a. This is a and this is b. Fine. So what the a is going to hold? Say, because of here I wrote ampersand x means address of x. So what is the address of x, students? 600. So 600 will get copied here. Previous case 15 was coming here. In this case 600 will come here. And in this place 602 will come. What will come here? In this place 602 will come. Fine. The rest of the things, so you understood. This all I already explained you. It will just swap A's value in C and B's value in A, then C's value in B. So swap getting done and the things are getting printed. So here the benefit what we are getting. Now after the thing gets done, the value of A and B here will be printed what? What? 15 and 42. Now here what it will print? 42 and 15. Fine, students. But after the job get done, what will be the value here? What will be the value here? In previous case where we did only with function, the value here there won't be any changes. Here it will be 15 and 42 only. But in this case students, the value of these two will be what? 42 and 15. So now you will say, sir, why it will be like this? Why there will be changes here? We did the changes in this part. But why it is reflecting here? That is what function with pointer, students. We are trying them with pointer and we pass their address to here. We pass their address to this place. So any changes I made in this address, automatically, obviously, it will get reflect here. Okay. Hope all of you understood the concept nicely. And in this case also one more thing, let's check how many values, means how many variables it required and how many sizes it is occupying. So if you see here also it is occupying, there will be C here, I didn't explain this one. So there will be 6 bytes, here there are 4 bytes, so 10 bytes it is occupying. So the differences is what between that program, the previous program and this program. In previous program, if you make any changes in target, source won't get reflect. It won't reflect in source. But in this program, if you make any changes in target, it is reflecting in the source. That is what the main differences between these two programs. Hope all of you understood nicely. Thanks. Any problem you please ask me.